Hey, what's up? This is Strange Loop. Before we go into this week's tutorial, please drop a like, share this with your friends, and comment down below what you think. So let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to do clicking sounds. These are very easy to do, and when you train it, you can do it really fast, and you can incorporate them in your beats really well. So how to do them? There's many ways to do a click sound. You can do clicks with your tongue, just like that. There's many variations like this, or you can do it with your side, just like this. To do this, you need to use your tongue and flip it on top of your mouth, just like that. And with a side click, put your tongue between your teeth and do the clicking sound like that. How to use this in a beat? And just like that, you learn clicking sounds. Thank you for watching. This was Strange Loop, and